Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angeldreamcrafts, and I am here with a VR for the lovely Sheila over at BohoDayDreams. And Sheila has a store where she sells the most beautiful boho fabrics. She also has a Facebook group and a YouTube channel, of course. And I'll have all those links in the description box for you guys, so you can go over and check out her challenge. She's asking for some altered envelopes in a boho style. So these are the ones that I made for you, Sheila. And I'll just share what they are. I've wrapped them all in this beautiful burgundy silk sari ribbon. So let me open it up here. This is the first one that I made, and it is coffee dyed, and I ran it through my embossing folder. And I won't go into a ton of detail. I'll let Sheila show it on her channel, but that's the first one I made. It's a beautiful image, and I put some netting over it. And then there's the back. And I did add some coffee dyed paper on the inside as well for journaling. So I hope that you like that. So that's that one. And then this one I did on my live show. Some of you saw this one. Again, I ran it through my embossing folder after it was coffee dyed, and then went over it with my Distress ink. Same with this one. I used the Distress Ink's vintage photo on the raised parts. And then this one also has some sari on the back, on the front, this beautiful shabby or boho trim here. Another piece of a sari, and then more coffee dyed paper with sari on the inside. So that's that one. Then I have a couple here just sort of plain. I may add some stamping to these still. This one's all in reds with beautiful silver sari trim, another coffee dyed envelope, and another piece of sari on the back. Some trim and some vintage music and book paper there. And then this one is in blues and beiges. Beautiful beaded sari piece here and here. And lots of layering of silk sari and lace and a different sari, and then some beaded pieces, and then a piece of the silk here and underneath this piece here. So I may add some stamping to those. This is one that I did as well. It is a coffee dyed envelope. And I've just left the strings because I love the strings. I sewed all the way around it with this beautiful turquoise sari. I added this applique, and then these are two pieces I just got on a sari. I just cut off a sari that I just got at a thrift store. I love the turquoise, so it's so pretty. And then I just added a beautiful piece of lace to the back of the stack, and I also added a little doily on the inside so that when it's all stacked up it looks super pretty. So I just put that there, and then this goes inside here, which I will do, and then that goes there, and then it's all tied with this really pretty ribbon. So please go over and check out Sheila's challenge on her channel and enter. It's a really good challenge. She has a beautiful prize pack, so please go over, and it's open until I think the 15th of April. I'm not sure. I think it's the 15th, but all the details will be in her video, which you'll find in the link below. So thanks guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye!